All right, guys, time for the taste test. All right. Mm. We'll slice right into it. Ooh, look how soft it is. Oh my God. Yo, this is so tender. All right. Mm. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Wagwan, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this juicy pork shoulder recipe. Stay tuned. So for today's recipe, guys, you're going to need 2 pieces of pork shoulder blade. Um, Here I have my rosemary, 1 clove of garlic, a little bit of thyme leaf, about a tablespoon. All right, so we're going to add all 3 ingredients. Also have some onion powder, Szechuan seasoning, cumin, jerk seasoning, salt, curry powder, and some paprika. All right. So now you want to mix these lovely ingredients together until everything is fully combined. Add it to your pork. Rub it in. Mix it up. Want to make sure both sides are evenly coated. And we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add it to our skillet. All right. So you want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat. Add some cooking oil, about a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. And once it becomes nice and hot, then you want to add your pork shoulder blade. All right. There you go. And we're going to fry our pork shoulder blade for about 5 minutes per side until it's fully cooked. Yes, guys, so after frying my pork chops, pork shoulder for about 5 minutes per side, this is how it's looking. So now it's fully cooked. We're going to remove the oil, this extra oil, and then add some beef stock to it. Cook it down for about a minute or 2, and then it's ready to go. Now you want to add your beef stock. Oh yeah. And like I said, guys, just want to cook it for about a minute or 2. It should be good. And this beef stock is going to add a little saltiness to it. You know, a nice little flavor. Oh yes, this is it, guys. This is our finished product. I add a little bit of this loose beef stock. And then we're going to top it off with some rosemary. A little bit of thyme leaf. Sprinkle it on top. There you go. So this is our finished product right here, guys. Our pork shoulder blade. It's looking juicy as hell right now. I'm going to cut right into it so you can see what's going on. All right, guys, time for the taste test. All right. Slice right into it. Ooh, look how soft it is. Oh my God. Yo, this is so tender. All right. Mm. Mm. Guys, it's so good. You know, all the herbs combined together is like basically infused, you know, inside the pork shoulder right now. You know, the beef stock at the end, all the spices and herbs combined together is perfect. Mm, 10 out of 10. Mm. Guys, thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.